Anna is very active. She loves to run, jump and play games. Every morning she rides her bike to school. She never sits still. She plays football, basketball and tennis. Anna is always moving. She is really active. Say it with me. Active. A-C-T-I-V-E. Active. Can you say it again? Active. Nice and loud now. Active. Well done. Ben is creative. He draws funny animals and writes short stories. His notebook is full of colourful pictures. Ben says, "Look at my dragon with 4 legs." He is very good at art. Ben is a creative boy. Let's say it together. Creative. C-R-E-A-T-I-V-E. Creative. Once more. Creative. Loud and clear. Creative. Excellent. Lily is friendly. She always smiles and says, "Hello, how are you?" She makes new friends easily. Everyone likes Lily. She talks to new students and helps them feel happy. Lily is really friendly. Repeat after me. Friendly. F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. Friendly. Say it again. Friendly. Now say it proudly. Friendly. Great job. Tom is funny. He tells silly jokes, like, "Why did the cat sit on the computer?" "Because it wanted to keep an eye on the mouse." We laugh a lot when Tom is around. His jokes are great. Tom is a very funny boy. Let's try it. Funny. F-U-N-N-Y. Funny. One more time. Funny. Say it with a smile. Funny. Super. Emma is helpful. If someone drops their books, she picks them up. She also helps the teacher clean the classroom. When I don't understand my homework, Emma explains it to me. She is always ready to help. She is helpful. Ready? Helpful. H-E-L-P-F-U-L. Helpful. Say it again, please. Helpful. Loud and happy. Helpful. Well done. Sam is kind. He shares his lunch with friends who forget theirs. Once, he gave his last cookie to Nee. Sam never says no. He is nice to everyone. People say, "Sam is so kind." Repeat with me. Kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. Again, please. Kind. Now say it like you mean it. Kind. Fantastic. Max is a little lazy. He loves sleeping in class. The teacher says, "Max, wake up!" But he just yawns and smiles. Max doesn't like to do homework. He says, "Maybe later." Max is friendly, but also lazy. Say this word. Lazy. L-A-Z-Y. Lazy. Try again. Lazy. Say it loud and slow. Lazy. Great work. Sophia is polite. She says please when she asks for something and thank you when she gets it. Everyone likes her good manners. When she talks to adults or friends, she is always nice. Sophia is very polite. Let's say it. Polite. P-O-L-I-T-E. Polite. One more time. Polite. Say it clearly. Polite. Well said. Jack is popular. All the kids want to play with him because he is funny and kind. He knows everyone's name. At break time, many children say, "Hi, Jack!" Jack has many friends. He is really popular. Repeat this word. Popular. 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 Can you say it again? Popular. Now, say it like a star. Popular. Great job. Mia is quiet. She doesn't talk much, but she listens well. She reads books under a tree during breaks. She is shy but very smart. When she speaks, she says something interesting. Mia is quiet and sweet. Let's practice. Quiet. Q-U-I-E-T. Quiet. Again now. Quiet. Say it softly but clearly. Quiet. Perfect. Now let's say all the words one more time. Active. Creative. Friendly. Funny. Helpful. Kind. Lazy. Polite. Popular. Quiet. Wow, you did great. Keep practicing and you'll remember them all.